Hi guys, so to begin this style you are going to make sure the front of your hair is detangled enough to do a flat twist. Then you are going to grab a rat tail comb and part your hair down the middle. I do have more hair out in the back than I do on the front, so it does not have to be an even part. Once your hair is sectioned off, you will begin flat twisting to the opposite side of your head. If you would like more details on how to flat twist in a slower motion, I will link a video above. After completing my flat twist, I then apply an edge control to lay down my edges. I tried to do this before I started the flat twist and it just didn't work out. All the baby hairs just came back up. So I decided to do it afterwards. This is optional. You do not have to lay down your edges, but it's just something that I prefer. Next, you are going to take a bobby pin and then just pin down your flat twist to the back part of your hair to secure it down. After my flat twist is secured, then I apply my scarf to lay down my edges and to also just make my flat twist look nice and neat. I keep the scarf on maybe for around 5 to 10 minutes. After removing the scarf, I will then begin to fluff my hair out with an Afro Pick. You can also do this with your hands, but I prefer the pick for this particular style. If you find your hair is a little bit hard to get the pick through, just spray a little water on it and that will help it. And here's the finished style. As you can see, I fluffed my hair out to about a medium-sized afro. You can fluff it out and pick it out to as large as you want. And you also have the option of putting it in an Afro puff ponytail. I really hope you guys enjoyed this style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye!